Hi everyone, I'm Grace Emerald of 10th Standard from Bright Stars High School. Now I'm going to prepare a healthy veg salad. So let's start. Let's prepare our veg salad. To prepare our veg salad, I have taken some of the vegetables like tomato, capsicum, carrot, cabbage, cucumber and onions. And I have chopped them finely. And I have taken some lemon juice, chili flakes and salt. So let's add our vegetables one by one. Some cucumber pieces, and some tomato pieces, some capsicum pieces, some carrot pieces, some cabbage, and some onions. Now take some lemon juice and I'm adding salt for taste, and I'm adding chili flakes for some spiciness. Now mix it well. Our tasty healthy veg salad is ready. So let's taste it. It's nice, and vegetables are very important sources of many nutrients, and vegetable diet foods are rich in potassium, may help to maintain healthy blood pressure. Thank you.